Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bind your metamask and Cpen together. So how can you do it? You will be able to see in this area that there is no Cpen here. If you look at this here, there's no Cpen. So how can we bind it together? Right now, we are going to our Google. You go and search for Cpen contract address. Okay, after we search for it, we copy it, we now come back to this area. So here we go right now. So guys, here you search for Cpen contract address. As you can see it here in my search bar here, history. So you click on it, Cpen contract address, and it will load it up. Okay guys, so right now you can see the Cpen contract address. This is it. So you can see this is the one that you have to copy it. So let me copy it right now. Do you see that? So I will copy it right now. Copy. Now I'm going back to my metamask wallet. So guys, right now on our metamask, what we are going to do is to come down to this area. Look at this token area. You can see this arrow. So you just click on it. You click on it. Immediately you click on it, you come down to this area, this plus. Okay. You click on the plus. Okay guys, now you have to change this. You can see this Ethereum. You click this area to change it to BNB Smart Chain. So you can see BNB Smart Chain in this area. You click on it. Automatically, you will see BNB Smart Chain has already changed. And you come down to this area where you see custom token. You click on it. Okay. So the address you copy from the Google you search that time, you insert it in this place. You paste it. So automatically, immediately like this, if you throw it up, you can see that automatically it will show Cpen. Okay, so you click next. You are going to click next. Click next. So you can see right now that this is Cpen has already show here. So the next thing is to click import. Just click import. So we have clicked it now. So now you have added it. Now this is where you will see it. You just have to come down to this arrow again. So by the time you click on it, definitely it will be in among of this area. Let's search. Okay, so you can see it right now. So it has been added. Cpen has been added here. So you can see it right now. So this is exactly how you can add you can bind your Cpen on metamask, guys. So if you click on it right now, you'll be able to see it, right? Okay, so this is the receive address if you want to receive. So you can see right now, so you can see it's BN Smart Chain. It's on BNB Smart Chain. You can see the chain. So that is exactly how you can bind it with your metamask, guys. So you are preparing for the next distribution, so make sure you do this. So if you find this tutorial helpful, consider to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next update, guys. Peace.